Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If drag and drop feature is not working on your computer, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we can do is run an SFC scan to correct any corrupt files. So right click on the command prompt, click on run as administrator and then enter the command sfc space /scannow and press enter. Now I'm not pressing enter because the scan takes quite some time and I want to keep this video short for your convenience. Now after you do this, look for a Windows update. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. Now once the updates are done, go to advanced options, optional updates and then install any driver updates here. Then you need to restart the system by clicking on the start button, the power button and update and restart. So if you have some updates available, you need to restart this. Then we'll also do a fix in the registry editor, which works for most people here. So go to registry editor, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then we will follow this path. So we'll copy this path. You'll find this path in the description of this video and we'll paste it here. And we will see that we have opened these folders: HKey local machine, under that software, under that Microsoft, and down under we should come to Windows, open current version, and then in current version we have expanded the policies folder, and the policies folder we have found the system folder. So click on that and then search for EnableLUA dword. EnableLUA, right click on it, click on modify and then change this value to 1. Click on OK and then we will restart the system in clean boot. So for that we need to look for system configuration, and then we'll need to click on services. And before we disable any of the services, we will check the hide all Microsoft services tab, which is very, very important so that we don't disable any critical Microsoft service on startup. So check all these boxes. These are the third-party services which are not needed to run the computer. So once you click all of these, then click on disable all and then click on apply, click on OK and then click on restart. Once the system restarts, then you can check if the drag and drop feature is working and you can then restart it in the normal mode again and it should work for you. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.